5 divided by 5 is 1 and 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now if answer is 1, this is totally wrong. Why wrong? Because we have to follow here PEMDAS. And one more thing, if we have same sign multiple times, then we have to solve from left to right. We have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so what will it become? 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So how will we solve? First this, then this, then this. Okay, the order of solving will be this, this and then this. So first we will solve this. Let's write it again. So first we will solve this. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, now let's write the same as it is. Now it will become 1 divided by 5 is 1 by 5. Okay, now 1 by 5 divided by 5. Now if we change division into multiplication, we have to change the sign and we have to convert division into multiplication, and the number will take the reciprocal of it. 5 will become 1 by 5. So our answer will be 1 by 25. Okay, so correct answer will be 1 by 25 by using PEMDAS. And the order of operations from left to right. Okay, and one more short trick is this. Now if you have these types of questions repeating same number multiple times and having division between them, what we have to do, just cancel out the first two numbers. Like here we cut out the first two 5s. Now write down 1 and take the denominator and write down these numbers which are left with multiplication sign. Like there are two 5s, we will write 5 into 5. So our answer will be 1 by 25. This is the short trick. Okay, thanks for watching.